are you? Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go away. I don't want to talk to you. You didn't go, right? So you want to subscribe. So please subscribe, like, and comment if you really like this content. It means a lot to us. And people ask me, you have a baby? Yeah, I do. I don't have a baby. I have a big baba. But you still have a flat tummy? How come? Today's exercise is all about that. It's about losing your fat, losing your stomach fat especially, and it will not only make you more fitter, it will make your core stronger so that when you stand, your posture is better, you look better, more glamorous, more fitter, more healthier. So let's get started and go to the gym.
There are going to be 22 exercises, 40 seconds on, followed by 5 to 10 seconds rest. Let's get started. We start with shuffle crunch. You shuffle to one side and then crunch with one leg one time and then another leg on the other side. It's quite easy. It will warm up your body and then you will be ready for rest of the exercises. You do any of these exercises, make sure to continue breathing and do not hold your breath. Now a quick 10-second rest and we move to high knees post that. With your heart rate pumped up nice and high, we are ready for a small break, and after that we move to burpees shuffle. 10-second break and burpees shuffle is next. You shuffle to one side, get down, do one burpees, move to the other side and then again burpees. These exercises will really pump up your heart and very good cardio workout, so the rest of the exercises will work even better on your body. Well done, my gang. 10-second break. And after that, we have a relatively easier exercise after burpees, which is high kicks. Look at the position in the lower box and you will know how to do high kicks. It's simple. You're just kicking little in the front side. But we continue to keep the heart rate up with these jumping exercises. More seconds and we have a rest coming up now. 10-second much needed break. If you want to press pause, please press pause and take a longer break. But it will get easier from here. We have alternate toe touch coming up next. You just touch one toe with the alternate hand and we keep shifting the toes. This will really give a nice stretch to the legs and the arms and the entire body in fact. Try to touch the toe when you touch your hand. 10-second break and fast food coming up next. I just said fast food. We are so used to fast food. Now, after you do fast food, you need to do fast foot, which is what you see right now on the camera. Do it as fast as you can. In case there is some knee problem, do not do the jumping exercises in this video. Rather, do it in a non-jumping fashion. You can't continue for full 40 seconds. You can rest here and take a pause, but try to do as long as you can. The more you push, the stronger you become every day. Next one is lateral jump crunch. You just take a small jump and then crunch with one leg and the opposite hand. In case of any knee problem, look at the alternative exercise on the left side. If you have any knee problem, whenever there is a jumping exercise that gets shown on the screen, you do not do jump. Instead, you just move and try to do it as a stretching exercise to the extent possible. We have kick outs coming up next after this 10-second break. You get on all four and then you kick one leg, lift the opposite hand and kick one leg. Look at the position in video for how to do this exercise perfectly. This will work on your legs, on your core, on your hands. We have a 10-second break and after that we do touch ground and kick. First we do on the left side and then we do the same thing on the right side. You touch the ground and then kick with the other leg. Just few more seconds to go. We are done. Rest for 10 seconds and then we do the same thing on the other side. Touch ground and then kick with the opposite leg. It's a little bit of balancing, but this really works well on your entire body as well as on your mind as well, because balancing is all about mind. Make sure when you do any of these exercises, you exactly focus deeply into that exercise. So this will help to develop the muscles which are getting used in that exercise because of the mind-muscle connection. Quick break and we have walking plank after that. You get into a hand plank position and then you move from side to side. This really helps to develop your core. That's it, and we have one of the tougher ones coming up next, which is tuck jump. You don't do it if you have any sort of knee problem. In that case, you just do the alternative exercise. Tuck jump is you really jump hard, with your knees up in the air. Make sure to take adequate break in between the jumps so as not to stress too much. Now a break and you move to plank to high knees. We get into a high plank, hand plank position, jump in the front and then do high kick. That's it, 10-second rest and we have 180-degree burpees. You do burpees, jump, get up, take a 180-degree shift and then jump on the other side. All these compound exercises work on different muscles in the body as well as on your mental coordination as well. So they are not just good for the body but also for the brain as well. Coming up next is skater hop. You think as if you are skating and hop from side to side. Look at the alternate exercise in case you are unable to jump. And look at the position of the hand in the video as well. It should look like as if you are skating. Yay! 10-second break. We are almost 2/3 done here and we have reverse chop coming up next. First on the right side and then the same thing on the left side. You have to think as if you are chopping wood. So chopping wood is a bad thing and we should not do and plant as many trees. But this is only in the exercise. It's called reverse chop. After a 10-second break, you do the same thing on the other side. Make sure when you are doing these exercises, keep your breathing regular and keep breathing. Don't hold your breath because if you hold, your performance will suffer. Exhale as you chop. Ten-second break and we have flutter kicks coming up next. You lie down on your back and then lift your head and you move your legs in a flutter fashion. One leg goes up, the other comes down and that continues for whole 40 seconds. You also lift your neck up. Make sure you're not straining your neck too much. If this one is too tough for you, you could just put your head down on the floor as well. And after this, we have in and out. You sit on your glutes on the floor and then look at the position in the video, pull your legs in and then push them out. It should look like one coordinated exercise. Your upper back's like, you come close and then you expand. And keep breathing. Coming up next is plank toe touch. You get into a high plank, hand plank, and then you touch your alternate toe. When you touch your toe, it will become like a mountain. Ten-second rest, and we have mountain climber coming up next. You get into a high plank position and then push your leg, one leg at a time inside. You do it at a speed at which you are comfortable. You can do it fast or slow according to your comfort level. Like not so much comfort, a little outside your comfort zone is always a good thing. Make sure your hands are below your shoulders whenever you do any type of plank. And we have the last exercise coming up for this module, which is bunny hop. You think you are a rabbit? It's time to become one. You get into a high plank position, jump on one side with both legs, then jump on the other side. Jump on one side, jump back straight, then on the other side. That's it. We are done for this module.
You saw the video till here and you haven't liked it yet? Is that a good thing? No, na? Then do it right now, yaar. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, if you want it improved, please write in the comment section what all you want us to improve. How do we make it more relatable, more for your actual problems that you are having, and I hope you find it useful. If you like it, please share it also with your friends so that they can benefit as well. And I will see you soon in the next episode shortly.